Wow! The four-floor heart-shaped aquarium is made from cement, ceramic tiles, and transparent PVC. There's nothing better than having an aquarium like this in your garden. After a long day, you can release your strength by chilling in your garden, enjoying a cup of tea and watching the fish swimming around. So now, let's see how the skilled craftsman creates this amazing aquarium. Firstly, they arrange red bricks into a heart shape, then pour cement into it, and continue to use more steel bars to form a large heart-shaped concrete block. At the same time, he also used 3 large steel bars as pillars for the whole aquarium. While waiting for the cement to dry, the craftsman drills some circle holes in the plastic water tube, pierces some large iron bars into the pre-drilled holes, and then pours cement into the plastic pipe to immobilize the holes. After 2 days, when the cement has dried, we can see the frame of the aquarium. On the next stage, they cut the ceramic bricks and use them to build the fish aquarium. The ceramic bricks are built into the shape of a heart and covered with a layer of cement outside. And right now, as you can see, the largest fish tank at the bottom will finish after only a few minutes. Next, he cut 3 large ceramic tiles into different sizes of heart. All of the bricks are drilled to install the circulating water pipe and connect with the pre-built frame. On this stage, heart-shaped ceramic tiles are installed on the frame. The worker used plastic pipes to form the pillar. Perhaps he has carefully calculated the sufferance capacity for the entire work. The craftsman also used a vase and drilled plastic water pipes to create a system of fountains and artificial waterfalls. Next, the worker painted the entire work. Green was the dominant color. Transparent PVC sheets were also installed to form the fish tank. To complete the aquarium, he moved on to decoration to make the work more stand out. To create a multi-layer red carpet, he mainly used red bricks and multicolored pebbles. Look at it, it's so beautiful, right? On the next step, he installed circulation pump and decorated more miniatures both inside and outside the aquarium. After that, he pumped water into the tanks and quickly put colorful fish into the aquarium. Wow, so great! After only 4 days, the entire work was completely created by a talented and skilled craftsman. Let's have a look at the entire work one more time. What do you think about this aquarium? Please leave your own comments. Thank you for your watching. Please subscribe to support and follow us on the next videos. Goodbye!